are you today? Are you doing good, baby? Oh, hi. Oh, yes, Popoy. Did you know, guys, that Popoy and Ivy are best friend? They want each other and then they complement each other. Look, Abby, let's dance. Wow. Wow. Very good, Popoy. Very good. Very good, Popoy. Oh, very good. Nice move. I told you so. You like Abby so much, huh, Popoy? Do you like him so much? Oh, you love Abby.